Hello, my name is Darelson Iskandar from 11 Mipatri, student number 8. I am here representing the government side as the third speaker with the motion this house believes that prostitution should be legalized. If sex work is not going to disappear anytime soon, anyone who cares about the health, safety, and the right of sex workers should support moves to make it a fully legal industry. Because if there is the legalization of prostitution, and if prostitution is protected by law, their rights, safety, and health will be guaranteed. That is what most sex workers want as well. Countries that criminalize the sex industry should consider the harms of this law cause. It is time to aside the thing of morality and issues about the religion. We have always believed that any person selling sex has a same right as other people do to choose their own work because they work with many reasons too. Everyone has different value and everyone's view about the wrong and the right are also different. Sex work is a work. This simple yet powerful statement frames sex workers not as criminals, victims, vector of disease, or sinner, but as workers. Exploitation and unsafe and unhealthy working conditions exist in many labor sectors. Work does not become something other than work in the presence of this condition. Even when performed under exploitative, unsafe, or unhealthy conditions, sex work is still a work. Perhaps you think sex work is an immoral lifestyle. However, it is no less moral than a lifestyle of the stereotypical lifestyle of the famous people who brags about how many women he has had sex with. There are no victims of the act of prostitution itself. Victimization occurs when the client assaults the professional like rape, robs them of their fee, or drugs them. And to avoid this, prostitution should be legalized and protected by law. Consensual sex is legal, but as soon as the one party offers cash to another in exchange for sex, and that money is accepted, is considered as prostitution, and that is illegal. This makes no sense and must be stopped. Prostitution makes sex trafficking more likely. One widely recognized consequence of prohibition is the formation of cartels, which is the black market are more likely to use violence. Instead of breaking apart sex trafficking rings, prohibition increased their profitability, making trafficking more appealing to many criminal enterprises. After legalizing prostitution, in New Zealand, found no incidents of human trafficking. Moreover, legalization made it easier for sex workers to report abuse for police to prosecute the sex criminal. In Netherlands, prostitution is legal, and because of that, sexual abuse and rape were reduced. The research results show that opening triple zone is a designated illegal street prostitution zone in the Netherlands. It reduced sex abuse and rape. These results are mainly driven by a 30 to 40% reduction in the first 2 years after opening the triple zone. For the triple zones with a licensing system, there is also decrease in sexual assault and a 25% decrease in drug-related crime, which persists in the medium to long run. Related to health, prostitution is closely related to the excess of the pandemic of HIV disease. This can be prevented, one of them by using condoms. To carry out this prevention, prostitution must be legalized and regulated by law, one of which is the use of condoms. In conclusion, we must to legalize prostitution because this legalization will be accompanied by guarantees of their rights, health, and security. If prostitution is not legalized, prostitution will be not controlled. Human trafficking will increase. Sexual violence will also increase. We never know what is the reason someone chooses this job, but everyone has a different right and values. So we as humans must respect people's choice. We cannot view this work subjectively. So the most important thing is the government should legalize this work and protect this work by law for the safety and comfort of this work. With all these reasons, I believe our side of the house should win. Thank you.